Hi, and welcome to your Drop It Flash training session. Here are a few of our most asked questions, along with their easy answers, and just a little demo of how to use it. So does Drop It really work?
Yes, we have enjoy a 4 and 5-star review on Amazon and our online store. People are very happy they can finally enjoy that wine without the headache or other adverse events from the sulfites and tannins in their wine.
All right, but is it only for red wine?
No, you can use it in a red or a white or even a sparkling wine for those special occasions. You can tie it to a bottle, taking it to someone's house. It'll treat up to 55 glasses of wine or 7 to 9 bottles of wine.
So is it going to change the flavor?
Oh, no, absolutely not. Why would we do that? It will not change the flavor of a red, a white, or sparkling wine. However, if you have a tannic wine, it will make it a little less astringent and a little smoother.
But is it safe?
Absolutely safe. We have had it tested from a wine laboratory in Napa Valley. It's all natural, FDA GRAS approved ingredients. Everything is totally natural, very safe.
All right, so what's the difference between the original and the tasting drops?
That's actually a very good question we get often. A lot of times people go to tastings, they go to Napa Valley on the wine train, and this is too concentrated. This brand is for your glass or your bottle of wine. You get the very small tasting. Drop It for tastings has a dark label. It's 1 drop per glass, and it has about 300 tastings in there.
All right, so why is Drop It any better than the other drops I've seen, or even a filter or a wand type product?
Drop It is portable, discreet. You can fit it in your purse or pocket. It is the only product on the market that reduces both sulfites and tannins.
All right, but will it work in beer or cider? Now, how about liquor?
We've only really had it tested in wine, but technically if there are sulfites and tannins in your beer or the darker liquors, it should reduce them as well.
And here's just a little demo of Drop It in action.
So basically, all you need to do is drop it 1 to 2 drops for a white, 2 to 3 drops for a red, swirl it, sip it, and love it.
Thanks very much. If there's anything else you need to know, please don't hesitate to give us a call.